Welcome to my channel. Today the topic is tools name in English. So let's learn about tools name. Hammer, screwdriver, wrench, axe, drill, saw, chisel, scissor, cutting plier, measuring tape, tester. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Little B. Thanks for watching.